Hey everyone, welcome to Northern Viking Everyday, where we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. If you're new here, my name is Ken. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall the lens on your GoPro Hero 9 Black. So why would you want to remove the lens on your GoPro Hero 9 Black? Well, maybe you cracked this lens and you need to replace it. They're about 20 bucks over on GoPro's website. Maybe you bought some sort of ND filter or a diving filter lens that you want to put on here. Those are all options. Or maybe you bought GoPro's Hero 9 Black Max lens mod that unlocks some new filming modes. That might be a great option that you need to remove this lens for. And GoPro did a good thing by making this lens removable. On the GoPro Hero 8, it was not removable. So those options weren't available for you, or they would be very expensive if you needed to replace this lens. So good on you, GoPro, for making this lens removable again. But let's get right into it and show you exactly how to pull this off. All right, so over here on my GoPro, you're gonna see a little crack that goes all the way around here between the lens cover and the GoPro right up here. That's where the lens cover separates from the GoPro. So what we're gonna do is grab the lens cover. I like to grab it from the top and the bottom on the sides. You could grab it from the left and right sides as well, but I go from the top and the bottom. I don't like to touch the glass because you'll get fingerprints all over it. And we're gonna rotate it counterclockwise 90 degrees, and that's going to release the lens. So we're going to, again, from the top and the bottom, rotate it. You might need some firm pressure. Just do it like that. And there might be a little bit of suction because there's a gasket in there for the waterproofness of the GoPro. So once there, you might have to give it a little wiggle and it'll come right off. And you're going to see the lens comes off, and it's got these two bars on it, one here at the bottom and one at the top. And those actually have to go under the clips over here on the GoPro. So when you put it on, we do need to make sure that it's pushed in tightly. The other thing I do want to mention is when I was pulling this off previously, I did get a hair under there, and you might get some dust, different things like that. So you're going to want to make sure it is clean before you put the lens back on. Now they do sell kits over on Amazon, cleaning kits for cameras. Maybe I'll put a link to one of those below in the description so you know what I'm talking about if you want to pick one up for yourself. To reinstall this, we need to make sure there's some good pressure when we push it back in. And these clips here, these bars, need to go under the clips here on the GoPro camera. So if you don't have it on tight, you're not going to get a good seal for it being waterproof. You need to make sure this is pushed in quite hard and then rotated back to the right so that those bars go under these clips. So let's go ahead and put it back on. If you're putting on a different lens, of course, you'd grab that right now and put that on. So make sure it's clean, we're going to go ahead and just push that straight in. Make sure that that rubber gasket is in place by pushing it quite hard in and then rotating it to the right, just like that, and it clips right into place. If you don't have it in the proper spot, you're going to see some wider gaps here, but right now it is right in place. Maybe look how wide the gap is before you pull it off, just so you know how it's supposed to look before you put it back on. And it's that simple to remove and reinstall the GoPro Hero 9 Black lens. So I hope this video was able to help you out in removing and reinstalling the lens on your GoPro Hero 9 Black. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I have created a couple videos on what memory cards GoPro recommends for the GoPro Hero 9 Black, 128GB cards and 256. You'll find those videos linked below in the description. Remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find those links down there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.